Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. I'm Akanksha. So let's start with today's session. Have you ever noticed companies proudly displaying ISO certified on their websites or offices and wondered what it actually means? Is it just a marketing label or does it truly reflect quality and trust? In this video, we are going to uncover the complete ISO certification process in a simple, engaging way. By the end, you will clearly understand how companies get certified and why it matters so much in today's competitive world. Now we have step 1, choosing the right ISO standard. The journey begins with selecting the right ISO standard. Many people think ISO is just one certification, but in reality, it is a family of standards designed for different purposes. For example, ISO 9001 focuses on quality management. ISO 27001 deals with information security, and ISO 14001 is about environmental management. Every company must choose the standard that aligns with its business goals. This step is crucial because selecting the wrong standard is like starting a journey with the wrong destination in mind. Then we have step 2, gap analysis. Once the standard is selected, the company performs a gap analysis. This is essentially a reality check where the organization compares its current processes with ISO requirements. It helps identify what is already in place, what is missing, and what needs improvement. This step highlights weaknesses, inefficiencies, and risk, giving the company a clear roadmap for moving forward. Think of it as diagnosing a problem before finding the solution. Then comes step 3, documentation and process development. Now comes the most important phase, building a structured system. The company starts creating detailed documentation such as policies, standard operating procedures, work instructions, and records. ISO operates on a simple yet powerful principle. Say what you do and do what you say. This means every process must be clearly defined and consistently followed. At this stage, the organization transforms its operations from unstructured activities into a well-organized system. Then we have step 4, training and implementation. Creating documents is not enough. They must be implemented effectively. Employees are trained to understand new processes, follow guidelines, and take responsibility for their roles. This is where the real transformation happens, as the system moves from paper to actual practice. A company's success in ISO certification largely depends on how well its people adopt and execute these processes. Now we have step 5, internal audit. Before facing the certification audit, the company conducts an internal audit. This step acts like a mock test where the organization evaluates its own system. It checks whether processes are being followed correctly and identifies any non-conformities or gaps. Necessary corrections are made to ensure everything is aligned with ISO standards. This preparation increases confidence and reduces the chances of failure in the final audit. Then we have step 6, certification audit. This is the most critical stage of the entire process. An independent certification body conducts an external audit to assess whether the company meets ISO requirements. The audit usually takes place in 2 stages. First, reviewing documentation, and second, conducting an on-site evaluation. If the company successfully meets all the criteria, it is awarded the ISO certification. This achievement reflects credibility, quality, and a commitment to excellence. Then we have step 7, continuous improvement. Achieving ISO certification is not the end. It is the beginning of continuous improvement. Companies must regularly monitor their processes, undergo periodic audits, and keep improving their systems. ISO emphasizes consistency, efficiency, and ongoing development. Organizations that truly follow ISO principles continuously evolve and stay ahead in the market. Now, why ISO certification truly matters? So ISO certification is not just a certificate to display. It is a complete transformation in how a company operates. It builds trust among customers, improves efficiency, and enhances overall performance. Businesses that adopt ISO standards often gain a competitive edge and long-term success. If you are planning to start or grow a business, understanding ISO certification can be a powerful advantage. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more engaging content on ISO, business and real-world insights. Stay tuned for more ऐसे ही powerful videos. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.